Of course, si Liza, but she's in the US. She's really busy. But we were just talking the other day, and sabi niya na she's really interested on my other project naman, the horror one, yeah, that we're doing. So, but she's really focused on her US.
Good news para sa mga solid Lizken fans. Hindi totoong wala ng chance na magtatambal muli sina Liza Soberano at Enrique Hill sa isang project. Enrique nagsalita na tungkol sa kanila ni Liza Soberano. Mismong si Enrique na ang nagsabi na game pa rin siyang makakolaborate ang dati niyang ka-love team sa susunod niyang mga proyekto. Sa naganap na press con para sa entry ni Enrique sa Metro Manila Film Festival 2024 na Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital, kahapon, November 13, natanong ang aktor kung sino-sino pa ang gusto niyang makatrabaho in the future. Of course, si Liza. But she is in the US. She is really focused on her US career. Ang dami niyang auditions and events doon. We are focused on our respective careers, chika ni Enrique. Nasa Amerika pa rin ngayon si Liza para sa e-push pa ang kanyang international career na nagsimula na nga matapos niyang gawin ang Hollywood movie na Lisa Frankenstein, kasama si Catherine Newton. Excited din ang aktor sa pinaplanong pagpoproduce ng isang horror project with Liza na nagtayo na rin ng sarili niyang production company. We were talking the other day and sabi niya she is really interested in my other project, the horror. When she comes back we will talk about the storyboard. She also has a prod company there. Eventually magkalab kami, chika ni Ken. Sabi pa ni Enrique, tuloy-tuloy na rin ang kanyang pagbabalik sa showbiz with his MMFF 2024 na entry na Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital, na isang suspense horror. Bukod dito, ibinalita rin niya ang kanyang comeback teleserye na isang rom-com. Magsisimula raw silang mag-shooting next year. The one I'm doing next is a TV series. I will be back. It is super fun. I have always wanted to do a concept like this. Light lang. May romance, may action, aniya pa. Nang tanungin kung sino ang kanyang magiging leading lady, I can't say yet, pero meron na. Samantala, magiging busy ang Christmas season para kay Ken dahil nga sa promo ng Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital, sa 50th edition ng MMFF. Makakasama niya sa movie sina Jane De Leon, Alexa Miro, Rob Gomez, MJ Lastimosa, ang tarot reader na si Raf Pineda at ang content creator na si Ryan Zarcaro Azurin. Showing na ito sa December 25 nationwide.
Sabi mo ba na naubos ka that time?
In a way, oh, yeah. I mean, my God, grabe din yung nabigay na pagdani yung buhay ko for how many years. But you know, you can't have it all. I had to give a piece of myself to showbiz. I had to give it my all. You know, when I do something, I always give it my all. So, yun, na-realize ko lang that, you know, there's mas importante yung family and my loved ones. Kasi at the end of the day, the fame, the money doesn't really mean anything to me. Pag may nangyari sa akin, sino yung nandun sa tabi ko, diba? It's just my family. So none of it really means anything. But the love and the memories na meron ako with my loved ones. So sabi ko, I didn't mean anything anymore. Kaya ang dali ko lang iwanan eh. So yun, coming back, sabi ko, sige, I'll make sure I'll come back. But sabi ko na, I also want to eventually give something back to the industry na kinalikan. Oh. So sabi ko, sige, eventually naman, I don't plan on being an actor for a long time. Eventually, I want to have a family and, you know, have more time for them. So, yun, so eventually, sana pag tumuloy-tuloy na yung pag-produce, behind the scenes na. But at times, pag may mga passion projects, gagawin ko pa rin yan. But as of now, I'm still coming back. I'm still gonna be acting.
And may renewed part din ba sa'yo?
In a way, I think it's me, parang mas tumanda ako eh. Parang yun ang feel ko eh, parang tumanda ako in a good way. So it's me growing up, another chapter in my life. This it's not my whole life, you know, so this is not my whole life. But it's a huge part of my life, but it's not me. Of course, si Liza, but she's in the US, she's really busy, but we were just talking the other day and sabi niya na she's really interested on my other project naman, the horror one, yeah, that we're doing. So, but she's really focused on her US career. Ang dami niya mga auditions and events doon. But yeah, when she comes back, we'll definitely talk about the story more. And she also has her own production company na rin,
Yes, oo
that
nga.
she's working sa US side naman.
Magkukulab kayo.
Yeah, I mean, that's what we talked about naman. Eventually, syempre, magkakulab
Taray as
kami.
producers, hindi na co-actors.
Yeah, sabi ko.
Time flies.
Yeah.
Ng
But I think
bongga.
this is, growing up, but it's just cool, we're just really focused on our careers and what we're doing. And I think it's really exciting time for us. But yeah, so the one I'm doing next is it's gonna be TV series definitely. So I'll be back on TV.
Pero